Chuck Schumer, the majority leader of the Senate, has indicated that he's going to try to do a discharge petition to get Alvaro Bedoya, the FTC nominee, to the floor. So if he can get that to work, then they'll be in the process will be in motion to actually get him confirmed to the Federal Trade Commission. Again, this is worth watching because I think there is a pretty aggressive agenda that they want to implement. They need the third Democrat vote. There's 2 Republican dissenters on a lot of this big tech attack that they want to do. And I think probably one of the first ones they'll get to, we've talked about this a lot, is this idea of attacking surveillance-based business models, basically, targeted advertising based on data profiles, which is, this goes right to the heart of what Facebook does. Others too, but Facebook's probably, from the FTC's perspective, public enemy number 1 on that.
So haven't shorted Facebook the whole way up on the bounce, and I want to. I want to short that because it's at the top end of its range. It's one of the many things I could have shorted yesterday. I took my shorts back up to 12 in real-time alerts from 6. But again, when something starts going down and then they see this happening, from the Hill, and it's on TV and the bozos start commenting, then all of a sudden they see that as causal, right? It doesn't always matter. It matters at particular times. And from the top end of the range on Facebook, I think that's absolutely going to matter. That stock has lost more market cap than most stocks in the history of losing market cap. And it's at a spot where it's going to have to deal with the fundamentals again, which not only include their upcoming earnings report.
The key thing, too, is it's not legislative. A lot of people, I think, say, Congress, they never get anything done. In this area, I think that tends to be true, at least for the near future. This is regulatory. And again, it'll take time to go through the process. But I think once they begin this process, all the talking heads are going to start talking about, oh, gosh, the FTC is doing this. Do you have to take that into account? And I don't think people are talking about that much. So when it happens, I think they've got to be ready for it.
I think if you're looking at kind of the next 3 weeks going into earnings, I wouldn't say no. I think I have to get through all of my updates and see how the data is trending as we get closer to the earnings report to get any conviction either way on the print itself. But I think if it's at the high end of the range, given what Paul said and your process, I wouldn't say no to that, in the very near term.
I'm betting my signal is right and that your update is bearish. That's what the betting man's going to do today.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.